So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of these Beats Studio 3 Wireless Noise Cancelling over-the-ear headphones. And these are the matte black in color. They've got active noise cancelling, and they're supposed to come with a case as well. On the side here it says they have pure adaptive noise cancelling, ANC off for low power mode, battery life up to 22 hours with ANC on, fast fuel 10-minute charge with 3 hours of playback, on-ear controls for music and calls, as well as a built-in microphone for voice. And on the back here, it also says that they work with Apple TV, iPhones, iPads, and Android. Let's go ahead and open these up. Change the way you hear sound. Ooh, there's the case there. We'll get to that in a moment. And there must be more stuff in here. Let's go ahead and pull this tab here. So underneath here, it looks like we've got all our paperwork, instructions and everything's down there. And we've got a cable here. This would be for connecting if you want to use them wired, with a microphone on there. A little clip, this must go on your case. And a charging cable as well. It says fast fuel, 3 hours of play for a 10-minute charge. So the first thing I'm noticing is this is a really nice and protective case. It's really quite sturdy and hard. You can push on here, you're not going to damage your headphones. And let's go ahead and open this up. We'll pull the zipper tab. And there's our first look at the headphones. So they come folded up and you can just snap them open like that. They snap into place. And if you want to put them away, you can snap them shut, put them back in the case there. And you can easily adjust the size here as well. So they just pull down like that if you'd like to adjust the size. See, it says Beats here on the top. So a nice matte finish on these. And this is kind of rubberized, but it's padded here at the top. The part that goes over your ears, these seem really soft and nice. There's some protective material inside there, kind of a leather-ish type of finish on there. I'm not sure what material that's made of. On the one side here, you can see the Beats logo in the matte black. You've got your Charge Me Up station here. So this is where you would plug in your charger when you want to charge your headphones. On the other side here, you've got your 3.5mm jack if you'd like to use them plugged in. And you've got your controls for wireless mode here as well. So that's just a sticker that comes off with your Beats logo underneath it. And yeah, those are really nice. I'm excited to use these. Again, these are the Beats Studio 3 Wireless Noise Cancelling Headphones with case.